Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how to enable eyes protection mode setting in our Tecno phones. Friends, you want to enable your eyes protection mode setting. So how can you enable today? I will show you in this video. So before starting video, can first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, now let's see guys how can we enable eyes protection mode in Tecno phone. Open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting, I scroll it and friends you can see this type of setting in your Tecno phone. So now how can you enable eyes protection? Friends, scroll it, friends, click on guys the display and brightness guys, tap here. Friends, third option guys, you can see your eye care means eyes protection setting guys, you can enable from this right side. After enable guys, you can see the schedule option. So when you want to schedule, so when you can set time and start from here guys, like that guys you can schedule from here. So we will enable. After enable guys, you can increase and decrease your brightness setting according to yourself. So like the guy, we can enable eyes protection mode setting and we can use in Tecno phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye guys.